Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for tuning into another JD Channel video, in which today we're dealing with a common problem in videos. With me, obviously, I have issues with lighting, and as you can tell, the lighting's not that great because I'm just using a lamp. With my webcam, it's even worse because it's mounted on top here, and really to get great lighting, either I have funky lighting with the lamp, or I gotta kind of set up my ring light in a funny way, and it's usually in the way of the webcam. So I decided to take a look on Amazon and make a purchase like I always do. Hopefully you like it. Stay tuned and tell me what you think. So this is what we got today. Even though the box is not what it looks like, the camera inside actually looks different. So we got another webcam. Let me try to focus in on here. Hold on, try to focus. So the only things the box that's accurate is it does have a built-in mic, it has HD quality, and it's plug and play. I was dabbling on Twitter, and this one guy always shows deals that he finds on Amazon. So I decided to follow him, and I keep finding deals, so I keep buying random stuff. I mean, it's bad, but then again, I think other people buy worse stuff. So I always tend to buy his deals that have coupons and everything. So let's see what we got in here. I dropped that. I don't know what that is. Let's see here. Oops, sorry. What is this actually? I think this is probably a cover for the camera. But let's pull it out. So that's what the outside picture looks like. Like I was saying, it doesn't look like that on the in reality. But this is what it looks like. It is a not dash cam, it's a webcam with a light. So this is supposed to improvise a ring light. I'm going to see how good it is, hopefully it's better. And what's nice is, and I believe this was 16 because of the promo, it comes with a tripod. So I don't have to rely on the one hanging here, and hopefully I can phase that one out. We're going to try this out and see the quality. This is a camera and a ring light all together. See if I can plug it into a USB just to light it up, just to show what it looks like, and then we'll take a video with it. Alright, and for now, goodbye Logitech. You're refurbished, so you were only in a handful of videos. Hopefully the new one's better, that we don't need you, and no more funkiness. Come on off. We're going to set this up. Whenever you are going to install something in your computer, I would recommend turning it off first to make sure nothing happens. So let's turn it on, boot it up. Gonna go set up the camera. Interesting, this thing doesn't focus on its own when it's on video. Let's see what happens here. Booting up this computer. Alright, welcome back. And now I'm recording with the webcam connected to my computer. Just trying to make sure there's no distortion, because I did a previous stick, but I turned off the digital stabilization, and I think it fixed it. I think that might have been my initial problem. The Logitech was getting these weird things where every now and then the image would kind of move. I don't really see it moving here. It might be. Maybe I do have to lower it to 720. But that is a bright side about this camera. Now it can go 1080p. The old one couldn't. And now let's turn on the ring light just to show the lighting. Actually, let me turn off the light itself in the room. Computer, turn off the light.
Okay.
So now let's turn on the ring light and see how it lights the image. You kind of tap it. There you go. So this is the, I don't remember if you call this, no, this isn't the soft white. I guess it's more of a pure white color. Now let's tap it again. It's not that sensitive. There you go. Then this is kind of an in between the soft white color and the previous color. And then this is what they call soft white, I guess, kind of like a light bulb. Actually, I like the lighting with it. It seems like it's working. Let me see if I turn on the light, if maybe that was my problem initially. Computer, turn on the light.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that kind of made a difference. But it looks good. I mean, you couldn't go wrong. I think retail on this, I believe, was $22 initially. looking at the thing, I think ultimately I did pay around 17 shipped. And it's because I follow, which I'll link his description in the below. I guess his name is Jimmy Jigs or something on Twitter. Keeps finding things on Amazon, gives you the promo codes, and then it gets like ridiculously cheaper, sometimes even free. Only thing you gotta remember is check if the order is going through, because there was one time where it actually they canceled it beforehand, and Amazon doesn't give you alerts when you cancel order, so I don't get it. Only if you do it, but I guess if they do it, they don't say anything. It just you don't get a shipping thing. You're wondering where they go. So ultimately, I do thank you for tuning into another JD channel video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy kind of these Amazon unboxings for random things I buy. I do buy quite a lot because I follow that guy's feed, and I have a few more that I'm going to do. And I hope you take care and have a wonderful week ahead, and stay safe. And I'm hoping to try to do more videos, and that's why I'm buying more equipment. Take care.